Do you want to take a dump?
Trailer home for free. As you can see, timing is everything, and if you're not here on June 27th for our grand opening event, you're going to miss out on a great opportunity to be able to get this PJ dump trailer for free. So today I've got one of our guys from Happy Trailers to talk about this awesome dump trailer. Giovanni, take it away.
Thank you, Selena. We want to give a big shout out to PJ. We want to thank you guys for sponsoring this trailer for us for our grand opening. And it's got some pretty cool features, as you can see. We've got rear support legs, spreader gate, and it's all wrapped up in this beautiful happy red powder coat finish.
So if you want to be able to get this PJ D3 dump trailer, you have got to show up at our grand opening event on June 27th. Remember, we have over $40,000 in giveaways, so if you're not here, you're missing out on a great opportunity to win a lot of different things. So stay tuned to see what else we have in store.
Spreader gate.